Good afternoon, Prairie Ridge students. As you know, we are be celebrating our Jag Jam January 26th. The reason why we're able to do so is because of all the money raised from our fundraiser this fall. We raised over $20,000, which I cannot tell you how much I appreciate it. That money again goes back to all of you students in our efforts in creating a safe, respectful, and responsible environment for all students and staff here at Prairie Ridge. I'm going to take you through some information about what happens on January 26th because like I stated before, it will be a shortened school day. Please pay attention because there's some of the things that need to be taken care of before January 26th for you to participate. So as I mentioned, the Jag Jam event is going to be January 26th. It's for all of our Prairie Ridge students. The social that will continue beyond that will be for all students as well, and that will be free. Yes, I did say free, so you will not need to bring any money to get into the event there. You will need to bring money if you would like to purchase some food, though, however. We will be starting at 2:30, as you can see here, and it'll go till 5 o'clock. All students will have to leave at 5 o'clock at that time because we will shut down the show. We're going to celebrate our Jag Jam fundraiser, and we're going to have the theme of You're Going to Hear Us Roar. We ask that all students and staff wear their We Are PR shirt if you have it, or if you don't, a Prairie Ridge Middle School apparel or any gray and silver attire to show our Jag spirit. So the schedule will be much like we have in the past for an assembly type of schedule. So you will go through your regular schedules, but then at the end of 8th period, you will report to your advisories. Your job will be to put all of your items in your locker just as if you were going to leave, but you will be attending your advisories. Everybody must attend. So you'll show up to your advisory with nothing with you, just yourself and a good attitude. So during the Jag Jam schedule, this is what it will look like. At 2:30, you'll be dismissed, depending on your grade level, to certain areas. The first row column here shows all the events that anybody can participate, regardless if they have a ticket or not. At 2:30 to 3, 6th grade students can either participate in these events or watch the Face in the Pie kind of event, and then there's also concessions that will be sold during that time. Again, 6th graders during 2:30 to 3 o'clock, you'll be able to participate in these events or this one right here. 7th graders at 2:30, these are the events that you'll be able to participate in right here. And then at 3:05, we will just switch. And then this will be 7th graders can participate in the concessions or the pie contest or the other events right here. Notice that some of these you'll need a ticket to participate in. It'll be the yellow tickets that will be handed out to you as soon as they're done, probably as early as Monday. Now, there's Jag Jam events that are requiring a Jag Jam ticket. These are the little yellow tickets that will be handed out and have your name on them. If you want to participate in the Angry Birds tournament, which is going to be awesome, you'll need to have 3 people per team. Each of the 3 people on your team need to have a yellow card. The yellow cards will be given out to those who donated. For every $10, you got a yellow Jag Jam ticket there. So those tickets can be used to sign up for these special events or some other events or other opportunities as we go through. For example, any of these tournaments that you want to be participating in, a painting, a crafts, and then also down here the popcorn and so forth, and eventually the fast pass to the front of the line at karaoke. Again, those tickets will be passed out later on Friday or on this coming Monday. Now, to sign up for these events, please pay attention here. If you want to sign up for any of these events that I mentioned right here, you have to do so in this fashion. So the Jag Jam events, sign-up procedure. All events requiring sign-ups will be taking place in the cafeteria, and then so on January 9th, 6J will be able to sign up. January 11th, 6A, and so forth, all the way down to January 22nd. After January 22nd, if there's anybody else that would like to sign up for events, they certainly can. And that'll be happening on January 23rd. Nobody will be able to sign up after January 23rd because we have to make sure that we have the right supplies for the activities that for students that are being registered for. If you have any Jag Jam tickets left over after this, you will be able to use it as a fast pass to the front of the lunch line January 30th through March 8th. After March 8th, if you have any tickets left, you can take them home and put them on your refrigerator because they are only going to be good for decorating your refrigerator versus anything here at school. Again, this is the procedure for signing up for these events. These are the other events that you'll be able to participate in, and these are open to all the students. Dancing, pie in the face viewing, a photo booth, bucket ball, beanbag toss, giant Jenga, giant Connect 4, various board games, and video games. So not to be confused with also karaoke. And this is going to be a great event, one that we've never held here at Prairie Ridge Middle School. Again, we're going to be getting out of school slightly early to be able to start this. At 3:40, we're asking that everybody returns to their advisory. And at 3:45, students will be dismissed to either go to the social or go home as they would typically do. Those who are staying for the social will be able to do so until 5 o'clock. And then we will have most of the same activities and opportunities for you to participating as we did in the Jag Jam celebration. We're asking that each of the students be respectful, responsible, and safe. That's going to be very important as we have about 1,000 students and staff moving throughout the building. Be polite, be kind. If you sign up for an event, be on time. Otherwise, you might not be able to participate. Be safe, hands, feet, and objects to yourself. And I'm asking, although it might be tempting, no running in the halls. And we want you to celebrate and have fun. We also have an email going out to parents who would like to volunteer to help out because all hands on deck will be important with this one. So if you get a chance, go home and speak with your parents. Be looking for an email from the school about signing up for to help out in supervising these various events. Hey guys, great celebration. I appreciate all your work that you've done here to help raise the $20,000. And it's going to be a good time on January 26th. We are PR.